Pixel fans, buckle up, because the Pixel 11 Pro might quietly be one of the most revolutionary smartphones Google has ever made. On the surface, it could look like another incremental upgrade with slightly better cameras and a refreshed design. But under the hood, things are moving in ways that could fundamentally change how we use, interact with, and rely on our devices. This isn't just about performance numbers or megapixels. It's about hidden changes, quiet trade-offs, and subtle optimizations that almost nobody is talking about. And once you see what's happening, you'll understand why the Pixel 11 Pro could feel like a completely new kind of phone. If you enjoy uncovering tech secrets that brands don't advertise, hit the like button, share this video with friends who love smartphones, and subscribe for more deep dives. By the end of this video, you'll see the Pixel 11 Pro in a way that goes far beyond its surface-level specs. Let's start at the core, connectivity. Rumors suggest that Google is finally ditching Samsung's Exynos modems, which have been standard in previous Pixels, in favor of MediaTek's M90 modem, paired with the Tensor G6 chip. This could mark a huge shift in how Google approaches network performance. The M90 isn't just any modem. It supports 12 gigabits per second peak download speeds, dual SIM, dual active 5G, sub-6 GHz and mmWave networks, and even satellite connectivity baked directly into the hardware. That means the Pixel 11 Pro could stay online in places where no network exists, from remote mountains to emergency situations. But with all this power comes complexity. To handle the modem's demands, Google is likely reworking thermal management, battery optimization, and AI-based resource allocation. Background apps may be subtly throttled without you noticing, ensuring that the most important processes always get priority. On paper, it's invisible, but in practice, it quietly changes how you multitask, download, stream, and even communicate. Tensor G6 is another game changer. Unlike traditional processors, it doesn't just compute, it predicts. It analyzes your usage patterns, allocates resources dynamically, optimizes background apps, and intelligently manages performance for key functions like AI-driven photography, video processing, and network usage. The Pixel 11 Pro could feel faster and more responsive in everyday tasks, but at the same time, some less used apps may behave differently. It's an invisible optimization trade-off. You get efficiency and speed where it matters most, but lose a little predictability in the background. Most users won't notice this at first, but over time, it changes how the device behaves in ways you don't consciously see. And then there's the camera system, the crown jewel of the Pixel line. Google has refined computational photography pipelines to handle low light conditions, predictive stabilization, HDR, and AI-based image enhancements in real time. Every frame you capture is being processed in a way that anticipates movement, light, and scene composition. It's almost like the phone thinks before you do. But these improvements demand more from Tensor G6 and the modem, which can affect battery, thermal performance, and background app behavior. While your photos are sharper and more detailed, your phone is constantly balancing performance behind the scenes. The best part? Most users won't even realize these trade-offs exist, which makes the Pixel 11 Pro feel almost magical. But it's a controlled, orchestrated magic. Privacy and security are another area where Google has been quietly aggressive. Background data access, system-level auditing, and permission management have all been upgraded. Apps that previously had near-total freedom in the background are now monitored and sometimes restricted. Notifications might be slightly delayed, background refresh may be throttled, and some apps could behave differently than before. These changes enhance security without making themselves obvious, but they also redefine what control and privacy mean on a smartphone. Essentially, Google is guiding user behavior without forcing it, creating a system that feels natural while subtly reshaping experience and expectations. Battery management has also evolved in invisible ways. Tensor G6, combined with AI-driven power allocation, can learn your charging habits and usage patterns to optimize battery life. Over time, your Pixel 11 Pro may adjust refresh rates, throttle background processes, and prioritize essential tasks without your input. Apps may perform slightly differently, but the system is adapting for efficiency and longevity. It's not just a feature, it's a philosophy. Google is redefining what it means for a phone to last longer while actively managing how you interact with it. Even the system UI has been refined with subtle but impactful changes. Elements like the notification shade, multitasking gestures, lock screen interactions, and animations throughout the OS have been optimized for efficiency. These changes may feel cosmetic at first, but they affect daily navigation. Gestures are prioritized, interactions feel smoother, and overall efficiency improves. In short, Google is shaping the way you use the device without explicitly telling you. Let's not forget predictive modeling. Tensor G6 isn't just processing data in the moment. It's anticipating your behavior. It predicts how you will use your phone over hours, days, and even weeks. Memory allocation, background app management, system refresh rates, camera processing, all of this is dynamically adjusted to match predicted usage. Your phone is slowly learning your habits, optimizing efficiency, and subtly limiting unexpected behavior. It's a quiet system of checks and balances that ensures smooth performance, but it also raises questions about autonomy. How much control do you really have over your device? Connectivity, AI, camera, battery, privacy, UI, and predictive modeling all converge to form a hidden ecosystem. Each improvement influences multiple aspects of performance. Background apps may behave differently. Notifications might appear delayed. Battery life is optimized. Camera processing is adaptive. The Pixel 11 Pro is not just a smartphone. It's a dynamic system learning from you, managing resources intelligently, and subtly steering behavior to maximize efficiency and safety. Looking further ahead, these hidden optimizations hint at Google's broader vision. Future Pixels could anticipate needs, manage resources proactively, and even predict problems before they occur. Devices may increasingly become predictive partners rather than passive tools. Some users may welcome this level of intelligence. Others may feel subtle restrictions creeping in. Either way, the Pixel 11 Pro could redefine what it means to interact with a smartphone. Now, imagine combining satellite connectivity, dual active 5G, smarter AI, predictive battery management, and advanced computational photography. Together, these features create a device that's faster, smarter, safer, and more adaptive than any previous Pixel. Yet the most interesting part is how invisible it all is. From the outside, the phone may look like a standard upgrade, but inside, it's an entirely new kind of system, one that learns, adapts, and subtly guides your behavior without you realizing it. So what do you think? Could Google finally break away from Samsung modems and embrace MediaTek for real this time? Are you excited about the possibilities of satellite connectivity? And how will these invisible optimizations change your experience in the long term? Share your thoughts and comments, because the conversation is only just beginning. For now, all we can do is watch, test, and explore. The Pixel 11 Pro may be hiding some of the most profound smartphone innovations yet, quietly redefining what we expect from a flagship. The story of this device isn't ending here. It's evolving, and over the next months and years, we'll see just how intelligent, adaptive, and predictive a smartphone can truly be.